He says, fitna will envelop my ummah like the darkness of the night. A man will wake up in the morning as a believer and come home as a kafir in the evening. The nikah is gone. It is all gone. A man listens to something on the road and believes it. He denies the Sharia. He denies the verse of the Quran. He becomes a kafir. And no one writes kafir on his birth certificate, even if he is a kafir. They don't write kafir on his forehead like the Antichrist. The man comes home. His wife also thinks that my Muslim husband has come. However, he has spoken blasphemy. He has spoken shirk. So his faith is gone. The nikah is already gone. A marriage without faith is no nikah at all. Where did all these children of adultery come from, you say? You say there is no abundance left in the country. There is no good left. So many thieves, so many bandits, so many degenerates, so many corrupt people. Where do they come from, brother? The man speaks blasphemy, shirk. He speaks words that will lead you away from religion. You read a verse to him and he says there is no such verse. On what basis do you say there's no such verse? You say you're a Muslim. How can there be no such verse? Would that even happen? He says that Allah does not say such a thing. He is judging in the name of Allah. What a serious matter. A man leaves in the morning as a believer. In the evening, he returns a kafir. He spends the night as a believer. In the morning, he comes back a kafir. There are such programs on TV. I wonder, what did he do? Is his wife nagging him so that he's upset? Did the man speak blasphemy? Did he go out of religion? Why is he going to be a kafir from morning to night? When all the televisions and the internet come out, such programs, evolution theories, theses against the Quran, against the Sunnah, against the Sharia, those who approve them are in the same situation. You are a believer in the evening and a non-believer in the morning. What happens if you pray? What if you go to the congregation? First of all, faith. You will not get involved in shirk, brother. The power of Mawla is not incapable of anything. He doesn't believe in miracles. He doesn't believe in this. He doesn't believe in that. Does this happen? Does that happen? Why is this? If a priest said that, he would believe more. Makes the opposite reaction. But when a professor of tafsir says it, when a religious man says it, when he speaks in the name of theology, he says, if this Hoja doesn't believe it now, don't expect me to believe it either, Hoja. So he says that one becomes a Muslim without believing in it. The point is that there is a great danger here which has engulfed the home and hearth. After that, the child became an atheist, became a deist. Now, if a man who dared to write a commentary on the Quran says that religion revelation should be in accordance with reason, how is he different from a deist? What is a deist? There is Allah. There is no need for a prophet. Now here, if revelation is in accordance with the mind, he has the mind. He has mind himself. Of course he thinks he is smart. He is saying this because he thinks he is smart. Then religion says revelation will be in accordance with the mind. After that, you say that he is a deist. If you call him a deist, he'll take you to court. He will take you to court for calling him a deist. Now, if the revelation, the Quran, the Sunnah is to suit the mind, then there is no need for a prophet anyway. There is the mind. This ultimately leads to deism, atheism. There is no such thing as deism. Deism and atheism are equal. In other words, there is no such thing as believing in Allah without a prophet. So, if you see an atheist and a deist as different, you will have problems there too. Because the one who does not believe in the prophet, who does not believe in the messenger, who does not believe that there is revelation in the Sunnah, who does not believe that all that the prophet says is a revelation from Allah, does not have faith in the Quran, cannot be, therefore the one who denied the Sunnah denied the Prophet. Who denied the Prophet has denied Allah. Then you say that I don't believe in the Sunnah, but I believe in Allah and the Prophet is such an absurd thing. I believe in this child, but I don't believe in his mother and father. It is as unreasonable as saying that they do not exist. There's no explanation. How can there be something without a before? It's like saying, I don't believe in the sea, but I believe in the vegetable. It's not possible. For him, these are simply all problems that happen together.